Dictation will be started in few seconds. Be ready. Start. Calcutta High Court is hearing today an appeal against its order on Monday restraining BJP from publishing ads it found had violated Model Code of Conduct, Election Commission's manual for political parties that's in force from announcement of polls till results day. High Court was sharp. It held EC had grossly failed to address violation of MCC. It was a rare observation, even troubling that a constitutional court found reason to pull up a constitutional authority. 3 takeaways. Para. Content and timing of ads. HC found the ads to be slanderous and derogatory. One ad in Bengali appeared to use religion to target Trinamool. Another ad was publishing on May 12, a day before the fourth phase of polling in Bengal. MCC mandates a 48-hour silence period before poll days. These are routine violations that EC could have swiftly handled. Trinamool moved court alleging EC had not acted on its complaints for EC's own good. The political party should not have felt the need to approach court. That it did demands institutional introspection within EC. Para. Courts on poll duty. Supreme Court has been on constant poll duty. Following the electoral bonds case, it has in its docket cases vital to EC's constitutional authority. Appointments of EC's EVM VVPATS on vacancies in legislatures, and of course the Maharashtra cases including assigning of party symbols. Both public and political parties are turning to the courts frequently on matters jurisdictionally in EC's ambit. Courts have desisted, thrown out frivolous pleas, discarded irrelevant claims, patiently heard activists and campaigners, returning petitioners repeatedly to EC, whose remit is the conduct of free and fair elections and ensuring a level playing field. Para. Constitutional matters. There cannot be a perception that EC is anything but a neutral arbiter. Calcutta HC referred to Article 226 of the Constitution to state the petition before it was not preventing a smooth process of the election. Article 226 provides the right to approach High Courts and Supreme Court under Article 32 to anyone whose fundamental right has been violated. SC also invoked Article 14, 19 and 21, equality, freedom of speech and liberty, to uphold the petitioner's plea. Central to the authority the Constitution vests in EC is people's trust. To be universally perceived as a fair custodian of this trust is inarguably one of the most important institutional remits in India. In fiercely contested elections, EC must go the extra mile. It is the only safeguard against campaigning's tendency to descend to the lowest common denominator. Calcutta High Court upheld both letter and spirit of MCC. Thanks for watching.